Okay, I'm restoring this old boat, and it had this plywood floor in here that had carpet on it. It was like this carpet up here, just old. It wasn't even an indoor-outdoor carpet, you know. It's just kind of what they had laying around. It's better than nothing, but still not nice. So anyway, I'm in the process of ripping this carpet out and fixing this old boat up, and you can see that it's got the adhesive kind of still on there. I've run it over with that sander and some 60 grit, and there's still some adhesive on there. Now I'm going back over that with a product called Kilz, like a concrete conditioner, deck conditioner kind of thing, and it leaves a very rough kind of a finish. But I've seen boats with this kind of finish, so this doesn't bother me. This looks very much like what would happen, let me get this closer, if you don't, if you're reconditioning wood and you don't sand all of it off. See how that looks? You can still see those imperfections in that through this, but you can keep painting over this, layer this stuff, and try to fill that in. Now on this piece of wood, this was done with 150 grit paper, and it didn't have any glue on it, and you can see this piece of wood looks really good. If I was to start the project new and not be using used wood, I wouldn't hesitate to use this Kilz product. It's over in that can. I'll copy a picture, but I wouldn't hesitate to use this Kilz product alone, without carpet at all in a boat. I think it would work just fine.